Right, this is the second tutorial. This is great. I've managed to do another one in the same day. What we're going to have a look at is just a carry on of where we left off in the last tutorial. So we did a basic write on the screen hello world, Writeln to pause the display, so it actually looks something like this. I'm using the shortcuts now, so F9 runs the program. As you can see, it says hello world, press enter and it quits. That's where we left off. Going to explain a bit more about the write command, because there's a difference. There's write and there's writeln. Now I'm going to show you two examples. We'll do a write and then we'll do a writeln, and then I'm going to do a write ln. I'm going to type in the same thing and then we're going to do a readln, like so. And this time I'm going to point out a few things. You can see this program quite easily. You see where the cursor is? It's after the D, isn't it? So if I press enter, it outputs hello world again, but this time the cursor is below on a new line. That worked because writes what you see on the screen and then leaves the cursor after where the last speech mark is, or the quotation mark. So it leaves it after the D. If we were to put a space here and then run, it would leave the speech mark after the space. It would leave the cursor after the space, as you can see it has done. Now when we press enter, as I will do, it reads ln and then it goes to the next line and it says writeln hello world. Because basically writeln, although it actually pauses the screen, when you press enter it makes the cursor go to the next line. And then it says, so basically it writes, it outputs the cursor at the end of here. Writeln then moves the line to the next line when we press enter, like when you're using a Word document. And then we're going to writeln hello world. Just click on here. As you can see, because of writeln, automatically, it's like automatically having a readln on the end, but you don't actually have to press enter. It just automatically moves the cursor one line down, and that's the difference. So those two commands, write and writeln. Now that you might think, well, what's the purpose of these? Well, I'll show you. Let's say we were going to have a couple of things we wanted to write out. So we're going to do first program, and of course we need a full stop here. Right, hope you like it. By the way, if you can hear any noise in the background, just ignore it. Some people talking too loudly. So as I was saying, we've got three writes. Now if I run this, I'll just put a full stop at the end of every one, like so. And here we go. Hello world, this is my first program, I hope you like it. That doesn't look too good because it just doesn't. So if I was to change this write to a writeln, this write to a writeln, and then run it, because we don't need to change this third one to a writeln, that's irrelevant. I've gone and done something wrong. Oops, there we go, I accidentally deleted the first open curly bracket, open curved bracket. This time it says hello world dot new line. This is my first program dot new line. Hope you like it dot. And that's really all there is to the write and writeln commands. Now, quite simple, really. Next tutorial we're actually going to look at having some input, and to do this we use the readln command, but we'll actually have a look at that in the next tutorial. So again, I'm just going to gradually build up your knowledge of programming.